So facial hair is kind of a mysterious thing, and there's no doubt that there's a lot of factors that go into the wellness and the health of your beard, your mustache, your goatee, or whatever style of facial hair you choose to rock. However, there is a common question and mystery about facial hair that you may be wondering, especially if you're someone who shaves often. Chances are you're wondering why the hair on your face grows so fast, and if you're interested in being a bearded or mustachioed individual, maybe there's a way you can make it grow faster. And that's what I want to talk about in today's quick volt video. Okay, so first things first, let's get into probably what is the most obvious factor of your facial hair growth, which is your genetics. Our genetics will rule most things about our body, which is going to be subtly influenced throughout our growth and things like that. There are certain genes, for example, the LNX1 gene on your 4 chromosome, which actually help determine things like beard thickness and volume. And other genes will affect things like beard color. And the sad truth about genetics is not every man out there is going to be predestined to grow a beard that maybe they're satisfied with. But there are certain key practices that you can use to actually grow a beard, even if the beard that you've grown before tends to be patchy, thin, or anything like that. For example, trimming the longer growing areas of your beard to match the slower growing areas until those slower growing areas have had a chance to fill out. In this way, you can just kind of bypass the awkward beard phase in which not everything grows evenly. But now I want to talk about reason number 2 about why facial hair may grow fast. This one is a bit more controllable, although it does still have to do with genetics, and that is the amount of testosterone that you have. Now, testosterone, as we know, is considered the typical male hormone and has a large control of things like, you guessed it, hair growth. And testosterone, while still being a factor of genetics, can actually be altered, augmented, and supplemented much more easily than changing genetics can. For example, consistent exercising, having a well-balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and maintaining an ideal body mass index are great things that are going to help your testosterone maintain their levels or increase over time, and all of which are directly controllable by you. And now I want to come back and talk about maybe a bit more fun and interesting reason about why facial hair grows differently over time, maybe sometimes faster or sometimes slower. And that actually has to do with the changing season. It's not all that obvious, but it's true that there is a dramatic increase in the amount of your facial hair growth that occurs in summer, specifically July. And then that facial hair grows slower in winter. Well, why does this happen? Beard growth tends to follow the stages of testosterone in your body, which peaks during summer and tends to always be lowest in winter. So while this may not have the biggest effect and it's not really greatly controllable or anything like that, it is just another reason why you may notice that certain times your facial hair may grow really fast and other times it may be less noticeable. And by the way, just a quick fun fact, no, facial hair doesn't actually help increase your body temperature or make you feel warmer. All it does really is regulate your body temperature by keeping the sun off your skin and helping you trap moisture, which evaporates and cools you down. Now let's talk about something that people really don't consider that much when it comes to the rate of growth of your facial hair, and that is your diet. Eating a well-balanced and healthy diet helps you build collagen levels as well as testosterone, and both of those things leads to, as we know, greater facial hair growth. In order to be just generally healthy, you need your balance of vitamins, fats, proteins, carbohydrates, and if you do that, then chances are you will automatically maintain a good BMI, body mass index, which is also going to be better for your testosterone levels and your hair growth. Let's be honest that beard growth really shouldn't be your primary concern when it comes to the overall health of you and your body, but it is something that does benefit as a result of eating a healthier diet. Now I want to talk about probably what is the only direct thing you can do to control the amount of facial hair growth that you have, and that is supplementing with minoxidil. Minoxidil so far has been the only clinically proven way to increase hair growth by stimulating the hair follicles. Unfortunately, out there's a common misconception and kind of malpractice in the beard product community that beard oil helps your beard growth, when that really isn't true. Beard oil is helpful for beard health and comfort, and actually a lot of other things, but it does not help your beard grow directly or grow faster or grow thicker unless it contains minoxidil, which most of the people pushing beard growth oil don't contain. So ultimately, those were the biggest factors and kind of fun factors that happen to do with your facial hair growth. I hope you guys liked this little video. If you guys liked it, please hit like and subscribe, and leave us a comment telling us if you have noticed whether or not your facial hair tends to grow faster in summer or slower in winter. Or if there's anything specific that you've done that you've noticed a difference in the cut and quality of your facial hair, your beard, mustache, whatever it is. If you guys are interested in keeping your beard happy and healthy for as long as possible, consider clicking the link below to join Volt's free Amp It Up reward rewards program. That way, anytime you buy any kind of Volt product or anything like that, or take some actions that we have on the program itself, you can actually earn amps, which you can redeem for Volt products like beard oil, beard balm, and a lot more. Just want to say again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.